Welcome back to GearUpWindows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to enable or disable ignore touch input when using pen on Windows 11 using Registry Editor. In case you have a touchscreen laptop and you use pen or a stylus and want to disable accidental hand touch on your PC, then you can use the Registry Editor method to enable or disable this feature. To click on this one start button and then type res edit. I will leave this link of this one article on this video description. You can copy the required path from this video description. So after typing this one res edit, click on this one registry editor option. This will open registry editor window on your PC. Then you need to copy and paste this one path from this article that you will find in this video description and then press enter on the keyboard. This will take you up to the pen key on the left sidebar. On the right sidebar you will find pen attribution type. Just double click on this one option and here you can input the value 1 or 3. 1, if you will put here input 1, this will enable ignore touch input when you use your pen, and if you will enter here 3, then this will disable ignore touch input when using pen feature on your Windows 11 PC. After that, click on this one OK button, close the registry editor and then restart your PC to apply these changes. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it, and if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.